أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. My dear concourse fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all in the reviewing session of lesson 5b, Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way. I hope all of you will find and enjoying this blessed journey of learning and understanding the Quran in very easy way. You know that in this revision sessions, we revise the previous lesson, in the grammar lesson especially, and we practice them, because as we practice more, we will be able to memorize and learn them very effectively. I request all of you, as you learn, try to practice all these things on a daily basis. It will be very beneficial for you. I hope all of you would be doing your homeworks and workbooks regularly. Because if you don't do all these things on daily basis or on regularly, it will pile up at the end and it will be very difficult to solve all the workbook or to do all the homeworks. So try to do all these things, try to solve the workbook and do the homeworks after every class. So let's start with our revision session of 5b. In the previous lesson, we learned some different things, some new things. In this lesson, we learned li, min, and an, and we practiced them with different examples. We are learning grammar by using TPI, and we know that TPI stands for total physical interaction. We are using our body part, different body parts. We hear it, we see it, we think it, we say it, we show it, and we love it, and we do it together. I hope now all you have repeated all these with me. Next, we will have a quick revision of all this table. Who are Muslim? He is a Muslim. Muslimun, they are Muslims. Anta Muslim, you are a Muslim. Ana Muslim, I am a Muslim. Antum Muslimun, you are all Muslim. Nahnu Muslimun, we are all Muslims. Okay, who will revise this table, please? I think you have enough practice till now. We have revised all these tables many times. So who will revise this table for me? Please raise your hands. Sister Hanuta Sami, please go ahead. Unmute yourself. Sister Hanuta Sami, unmute yourself, please. Are you listening me? You have raised your hands. Please unmute yourself and revise the table.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Huwa Muslim. He is a Muslim. Hum Muslimun. They are Muslims. Anta Muslim. You are a Muslim. Ana Muslim. I am a Muslim. Antum Muslimun. You are all Muslims. Nahnu Muslimun. We are Muslims.
Excellent, mashallah. Next, we have some, we have done these question answers by using the word Muslims. Keeping in this word Muslims in our mind, we will answer the questions. Who will answer me? I will ask questions, and please, any one of you can answer my questions. It's very easy. Answers are already written in the screen. Okay. Akin Toindu, I'm sorry if I am not pronouncing your name correctly. Please answer me. Man huwa?
Huwa Muslimun.
Man
Huwa
huwa?
Muslim.
Muslim.
Huwa Muslim.
Hum Muslim. Man hum?
Hum Muslimun.
Man anta?
An Muslim. Ana Muslim.
Ana Muslim. Okay. Man anta? Anta, ana. Man antum?
Nahnu Muslimun.
Nahnu Muslimun. Very good. Then we did all these attached pronouns. Who, whom, ka, ye, kum, na. Okay. Who will revise this table? We added this word Rab with attached pronouns, and we have already done it, but who will do the revision of it? Should I ask myself, anyone, or you will raise your hands? Okay, please, sister, go ahead, sister Kauthar.
Bismillah. Rabbahu, his Rabb. Rabbuhum, their Rabb. Rabbuka, your Rabb. Rabbi, my Rabb. Rabbukum, your Rabb. Rabbuna, our Rabb.
MashaAllah, excellent. Are you doing actions with it?
Yes, ma.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. Again, there are some questions. Man Rabbuhu. Please answer it.
Rabbuhu, Allah. Rabbuhullah.
Rabbuhullah. Man Rabbuhum.
Rabbuhumullah.
Man Rabbuka.
Rabbi Allah.
Rabbi Allah. Man Rabbukum.
Rabbun Allah.
Rabbun Allah. MashaAllah. Excellent. Jazakallah, sister. Then we learn masculine to feminine forms. We use huwa for a masculine, and we point in our right direction with our index finger. And for female, feminine, we point toward in our left side with our index finger. Hiya. Huwa, hiya. Then another word, hu, for ha. Huwa, hiya, hu, ha. Rabbuhu, rabbuha. In Arabic words, we have practiced them and learned them. These are of three types: ism, fail, and harf. Ism is noun, name, and attribute. Fail is verb, tell us about an action, and harf is a particle. We have already learned some pronouns, and today we are going to learn some new things about particles. Harf or particle, these are the words that join nouns and or verbs. We have learned three examples: wa, min, and inna. Haruf, we call them huruf, or we also call them prepositions. If we define haruf in another way, we can say anything which is not a verb or noun. That is called a haruf or a particle. Okay, anything which is not a verb, not a noun, then we will say it is a verb. We will practice all these prepositions wa and min, from, inna, indi. Three prepositions: li, for, min, from, and with. We have already learned them. Today we will practice them with examples, because while taking some examples and references, it will be very easy to memorize all these things. We have learned who, whom, ka, ye, kum, na. So we will attach all these prepositions li, la, min, and an with all these attached pronouns, and we will practice them. Okay. For li, if we take an example, it is an alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, lillah, for Allah. It is a reference or it is an example. Whenever we will say li or la, definitely if we remember its example, alhamdulillah, quickly we will be able to memorize or revise that. It means li means for. Okay. We will do lahu, for him, lahum, for them, laka, for you, li, for me, lakum, for you all, and lana, for all of us. Who will try to practice it? Please raise your hands. I don't think so. Why you people are hesitating in revising all these tables? Okay, Sister Sami, please do it. Unmute yourself and revise the table, please. Sister Hanuka Sami.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Lahu, for him. Lahum, for them. Laka, for you. Li, for me. Lakum, for you all. Lana, for us.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah, sister.
Wa iyaki.
Quran is for everyone and we are learning it with TPI. Ahaza lahu. Okay, Sister Hanuta Sami, can you tell me what does it mean? Ahaza lahu.
Is this
Ahaza lahu. Yes, is this. Haza, this. Is this
for
lahu,
him?
for him. Very good, mashallah. Is this for him? And what will be the answer? If I ask ahaza lahu, how will you answer it?
Na'am. Hada lahu.
Naham haza lahu. Very good. Ahaza lahum. How will you answer it?
Na'am. Hada lahum.
Naham haza lahum. Zabardast. Okay. Ahaza laka. Ahaza laka. How will you answer it? Sister Hanuta, please carry on.
Ahada laka.
Ahaza laka.
Laka is for you.
For you. What will be the answer?
Na'am. Hada.
Li.
Hada li. Yes,
Yes.
this is for
Naam
me.
haza li.
Li.
Ahaza lakum.
Na'am hada li. Na'am hada lana.
Naham haza lana. Jazakallah, sister. MashaAllah.
Wa iyaki.
Next word is li, mean for. We have already learned it. And we will attach another word with it. So. Fa. Fa means so. So, fa lahu, so for him. Fa lahum, so for them. Fa laka, so for you. Fa li, so for me. Fa lakum, so for you all. And fa lana, so for all of us. Next word is min. Min means from. And the reference or example is Auzu billahi minash shaitan. And it is the very first lesson from which we started on this Quran course. Min, from. I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan. So min, from. Okay. We will attach this word min, this preposition min, with these all attached pronouns. Min who, from him. Min whom, from them. Minka, from you. Min me. It will be min me, from me. Minkum, from you all. And min na, from us. We will revise this table. I request all of you to please participate in this. It will be very beneficial for you. Try to come forward. Don't hesitate and don't shy in revising these tables. Okay, we have a short of time. Please come forward and revise this table.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, please.
Bismillah. Minni. No, minnu. Minnu.
Minhu.
Is it minnu?
Yes, minhu.
Okay, minhu, from him. Minhum, from them. Minka, from you. Minni, from me. Minkum, from you all. Minna, from us.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah. The next preposition is an, and an means with. Very famous reference for it is, example for it is Raziyallah anhu. Anhu. Who? Anhu, with him. Anhu, with him. Anhum, with them. Anka, with you. Anni, with me. Ankum, with you all. And Anna, with us. Who will revise this table? Should I call myself someone? Okay, Jannat. Sister, please. Brothers are not participating in this revision session. I wonder why. Okay, Sister Jannat, please revise it, and then Sister Ruqayya, I will.
Bismillah. And who with him, and whom with them, and ka with you, and ni with me, and kum with you all, ana, anna with us.
With us, Jazakallah, sister. And we will add wa, and we will do. Okay, Sister Ruqayya, please, I request you to revise this table by adding wa, and who. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wa anhu, and with wa annaka, and with you. Wa anni, and with me. Wa annakum, and with you all. Wa anna, and
Okay. Jazakallah, sister, thank you. Wa anhu, and with him, wa anhum, and with them, wa anka, and with you, wa anni, and with me, wa ankum, and with you, and wa anna, and with us. We have learned rabbuhu, rabbuha, lahu, laha. Okay, lahu, laha, minhu, minha, anhu, anha. We know that lahu, minhu, and anhu are for masculine gender, and laha, minha, and anha for feminine gender. And we will add all these laha, minha, anha in this table at the end. I hope all of you have learned and practiced it. So we will move forward. Li, we will again revise it. Li, in for, and reference or example is alhamdulillah. Min, from, and example is auzu billahi minash shaitan, and an, with, razi Allah, an, who. Next, okay. We'll come to this workbook page. I hope all of you have solved the workbook page, so please answer me some questions. Question number 2, question number 1, we have practiced these tables, and you can do it very well at yourself. Please come to question number 2. Break the Arabic words and write the meanings. Okay, Raziyallahu anhum. Who will answer it? Raziyallahu anhum. Can anybody answer me? Raziyallahu, Razia, pleased. Allahu, Allah, anhum, with him. Allah be pleased with him. Okay. Sorry, Brother Abdul Rahman, please answer the next question. Minar Rusul. Brother Abdul Rahman. Minar Rusul.
Okay.
How will you
Didn't
translate?
actually get the question.
Sister, your voice is not clear. Okay.